Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will describe this picture in simple English. This picture shows a school garden activity. Many students and one teacher are working together. On the left side, two students are digging the soil with spades. They are making holes in the ground. Behind them, one student is holding a small plant and another student is carrying a watering can. They are getting ready to plant the saplings. In the middle, a teacher is helping the students. She is wearing a green sari. She is guiding a boy while placing a plant in the soil. A girl near the teacher is watering the plant slowly. Another student is pouring water on a young tree. The plants are green and fresh. On the right side, two students are holding small plants in pots. They are smiling and waiting to plant them. In the front, on the right side, one student is collecting plastic bottles. She is putting the bottles into a blue recycle dustbin. Some plastic bottles are also laying on the ground. In the front, we can clearly see soil, small plants, tools and a watering can. The students are working very carefully. In the background, there is a big school building. There are trees on both sides of the school. The grass is green and the sky looks clear and bright. All the students look happy and active. They are learning teamwork, cleanliness, and care for nature. This picture teaches us to plant trees, keep the environment clean, and protect our earth. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.